Discover Kilchurn Castle, a breathtaking jewel in Scotland's rugged landscape. Perched on the northeastern shore of Loch Awe, this iconic ruin is a must-see destination for history buffs, adventurers, and dreamers alike. Step back to the 15th century, where Sir Colin Campbell, a visionary leader of the Campbells of Glenorchy, laid the foundation of this magnificent stronghold. Built to endure and impress, Kilchurn Castle was the heart of a powerful clan's legacy. Explore Kilchurn's strategic significance. Its prime location made it the gatekeeper to the Highlands, offering commanding views and a vital role in Scotland's storied battles for power and protection. Marvel at the layers of history in Kilchurn's architecture. From its original tower house design to the later additions that fortified it into an impressive fortress, this site is a testament to centuries of ingenuity and resilience. Experience history where it happened. Kilchurn became a barracks during the Jacobite uprisings, housing government troops as they marched through the Highlands. Imagine the echoes of soldiers and the tension of a nation in turmoil. Witness the beauty of time's touch on Kilchurn Castle. By the 1700s, the castle had been abandoned, leaving its rugged ruins as a hauntingly beautiful reminder of Scotland's past. Today, Kilchurn Castle stands as an awe-inspiring symbol of Scotland's heritage. Its craggy remains, framed by the shimmering waters of Loch Awe, provide the perfect backdrop for photographers, history enthusiasts, and travelers seeking a slice of timeless beauty. Don't miss Kilchurn Castle, a destination where history comes alive and nature's splendor captivates. Plan your visit today and let the spirit of Scotland's past guide your journey. Imagine standing on the tranquil northeastern shore of Loch Awe, Scotland's longest loch, where the shimmering waters stretch an incredible 25 kilometers. Here lies Kilchurn Castle, a breathtaking relic of history nestled against the backdrop of the rugged Highlands. Built in the 15th century by the visionary Sir Colin Campbell, this fortress was more than just stone and mortar, it was the heartbeat of the powerful Campbells of Glenorchy. Kilchurn's strategic location made it a gateway to the Highlands, a stronghold that played a pivotal role in Scotland's storied conflicts. From the clamor of battles to its time as a barracks during the Jacobite uprisings, the castle bore witness to the rise and fall of empires. Yet, as the 18th century dawned, Kilchurn fell silent, abandoned to the elements and left to slowly embrace its rugged ruin. Today, the castle stands as a symbol of resilience and beauty, its weathered walls reflecting the fiery sunsets of Loch Awe. A photographer's dream, an adventurer's delight, and a history lover's paradise, Kilchurn Castle offers an unforgettable glimpse into Scotland's past. Whether you're exploring its ruins, soaking in the serene loch views, or unraveling the stories of the Campbells, Kilchurn Castle promises an experience that blends awe-inspiring landscapes with rich heritage. Make your way to this iconic landmark and let the echoes of history captivate your soul. Kilchurn Castle, where ancient stones whisper tales of glory, and Loch Awe mirrors the timeless beauty of Scotland's soul. Built for strength, shaped by history, and softened by time, Kilchurn Castle stands as a masterpiece of resilience against the Highland skies. From the Campbells' legacy to Jacobite echoes, every weathered wall of Kilchurn Castle holds a chapter of Scotland's untamed spirit.